Hey y'all, quick little 10-hour review of the, whatever that is, HY16. It's held up well so far. All grease fins have took grease, and just a few of these capture bolts I had to tighten up, or whatever you want to call it. Swing works great. I was able to do a little bit of digging here. It's been reliable. Only issue I've had was the fuel inlet right out the injection pump was a little loose. So it was letting air in after I let it sit up overnight. So whenever I would crank it up in the morning, or whenever I start using it, it would die out and crank right back up when it got the air out of it. But it seemed like I've addressed that issue. Yep, exactly 10 hours. But no issues at all. Had one track come off, but that was probably just me and the conditions, probably a root or something got into it. Well laid out, done changed all the fluids on hour 3, and it was easy to work on. Everything has their own drain location. It's engine oil, antifreeze, got a little valve in there, right there. Hydraulic check port, and the drain location is right there. Fairly strong drive motors, works pretty good. Gets bogged down sometimes, but that might just be normal. I don't have a lot of experience on these. No problems with the little semi-quick hitch. Kind of hit the brake right there, scratched it up a little bit. Then greased it up twice. No issues. Burn a little over 5 gallons of fuel. Runs good.